In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print from Airtable with ease. Airtable, as you might already know, is a powerful tool that combines the best aspects of spreadsheets and databases, making it incredibly versatile for various organizational tasks. Now, whether you're working on a project or managing your business records, there might come a time when you need to produce a hard copy of your data. First, open your Airtable account and you'll see all the bases you've created. This interface provides you with an overview of your ongoing projects and stored information, making it easy to navigate to the exact table you wish to print. Find the particular base or table you want and click to open it. Here, you'll see the data arranged in your chosen formats or views. Next, you'll need to select the view that best suits your printing needs. Airtable allows you to set up various views, each tailored with specific configurations and visual arrangements of your data. These might include a simple grid view showing rows and columns, or a detailed form view highlighting individual entries. Take a moment to think about what you want your printed copy to look like and select the view that matches your requirements. Once the appropriate view is selected, look to the right-hand side of your screen for the Print View option. Clicking on this option will generate a preview of your data as it will appear on paper. This step is crucial because it allows you to ensure that all your necessary information is displayed correctly and that the layout meets your expectations. Explore this preview to confirm that the content aligns well and nothing essential is clipped or out of place. After confirming that the print layout is perfect, go ahead and find the Print button. This will open the Print dialog box, which should look familiar if you've printed documents before. Here, you'll be able to choose your specific printer, and you'll have the option to tweak settings such as paper size and orientation. Don't rush through this part. Take your time to ensure that everything is set just as you need it. Once you're satisfied with all these settings, click to send your document off to be printed. And there you have it. You've successfully transformed your Airtable data into a hard copy. This straightforward process will become second nature with a bit of practice, allowing you to efficiently produce printed records for meetings, reports, or any other purposes that call for physical documentation. Thank you for watching, and happy printing. Remember, the key here is to familiarize yourself with the view and print options, and soon you'll be able to print from Airtable effortlessly. Keep exploring and experimenting with Airtable's features, and you'll surely enhance the way you handle your data.